recognition within their families and communities. They became role models, inspiring others to pursue their dreams and break free from the constraints of circumstance. The program proved that when women thrive, families flourish and societies prosper. Coal India's initiative stood as a powerful example of how sustainable solutions can transform lives. It was more than just the distribution of machines. It was a distribution of hope, opportunity, and a better future. By enabling women to earn with dignity and independence, Coal India Limited illuminated a path of progress, proving that real power lies not just in industry, but in empowering people. Coal India didn't just fuel industries, it fueled dreams, dignity, and a future where women stand not behind but beside progress.